Picture yourself in the 2024 Toyota Tundra. Here's a boldly beautiful Tundra that delivers serious strength and upscale comfort. Engineered to maximize towing and handling stability, this handsome truck also spoils you with a smooth ride and premium cabin loaded with amenities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm. Strength blends beautifully with comfort in this well-appointed Tundra. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.